All right, just wanted to give you a second to think about it. But we're going to divide by the normal force because that removes everything else away from the coefficient of friction. So now we have frictional force divided by the normal force equals the coefficient of friction. Now let's plug in our values. So we have the frictional force is 300 newtons and the normal force is 7,056 newtons. All right, if we divide 300 by 7,056, we will get around 0.043, okay? And that's going to be equal to the coefficient of friction mu. Now, again, it has no units because the newtons actually cancel out over here, all right? So to summarize, right, friction itself is a force that resists the motion between two surfaces, okay? When we're solving our problems, you're going to want to make sure that you use the mass to find the normal force, okay? The way you do that is you plug mass into F equals ma. A is always the acceleration due to gravity in this case because we're finding the force of the object on the earth. So we calculate the force of that, and then we just flip it from pointing down to the surface pushing up against the object. We flip it around to give us the normal force. What is the force that the surface is pushing back in order to keep that object from falling through the ground? So use your mass to find the normal force, and then make sure that you are solving for whatever you're looking for in your equation. And once you have that by itself, you can plug in all of your variables and you'll end up with your answer. All right. If you have any further questions, just let me know.